Students, today I'll explain 14.2 question number 4. The question is, the following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-students ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. So this is the data given. Number of students per teacher is given in the class interval, and this is your number of states and union territories, that is your frequency given. So first, to find the mode, we have to find the modal class. Modal class means the class interval which has the maximum frequency. So that is 30 to 35 and maximum frequency is 10. So this is the modal class whose 30, that is the lower limit L, and here 10, which is the maximum, this is F1, so this is F0, this is F2, and the width is 20 minus 15, that is H is 5. So first here you will write modal class is 30 to 35. So L is 30, H is 5, F0 is 9, F1 is 10, and F2 is 3. So the formula is mode of the data, that is equals to L plus F1, that is the maximum frequency, F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2, this into H. So what is the lower limit of this? This is your 30 plus F1 maximum frequency, that is 10, minus F0 means the preceding one, that is 9, divided by 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3, and the class width is H is your 5, so 5. So this is 30 plus 1 by 20 minus 12, that is 8 into 5. So this is your 30 plus 5 by 8, and that is equals to 30.62. This is your mode of the data. Now to find the mean, what we have to do? Find the class mark. So 15 plus 20, that is 35. 35 divided by 2, that is 17.5. Now 20 plus 25, 45. 45 divided by 2, that is 22.5. So adding 5 each time, we can get the next one. It is 27.5. Then adding 5, 32.5. Then 37.5. Then 42.5. 47.5. and the last 52.5. This is your class mark. This plus this divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. We get the class mark, that is Xi. This is Fi. Now to find the mean, we have to find Fi Xi. So it is 17.5 into 3. We will get 52.5. 22.5 into 8, this is 180. 27.5 into 9, that is 247.5. Next 325. 112.5 into 0 means 0, 0. and the last it is 105. 52.5 into 2. Add all these, we get sum of fi xi, and this is equals to 1022.5 after addition. So the mean is, we know the formula, mean is x bar, that is sum of fi xi divided by sum of fi, and that is equals to is sum 1022.5 sum of fi, that is equals to 35. So divided by this we get 29.21 after dividing. This is the mean, this is the mode. So we conclude what? We conclude that most of the states and union territory have students teacher ratio of, what is the two, that is your 30.62. that is the student mode, means the, what is the central tendencies of this data, that we have got 30.62, means the ratio of students teacher ratio in most of the states and union territory is 30.62, and the mean, that means the average of this ratio, and an average of the ratio, that is 29.21. This is the answer. Okay, so we have calculated mode as well as mean. What is mode and mean? They are all central tendencies to of the given data.